Hello Hack Pack, welcome back to the Marc Drouinaud Show, your home for hacking news and education. Today I'm going to cover the skills that you should have in IT in order to not only become a better asset for the IT security space and to help people increase your self-confidence and make more money. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So, artificial intelligence developer. We all know what's happening. Open AI, all this hysteria, right?
Nice.
So number one is artificial intelligence developer. An artificial intelligence AI developer has similar skills and responsibilities to a software engineer, but AI developers specialize in building AI functionality into software applications. They aim to program a machine or application to exhibit human-like behavior, problem-solving capabilities, and predictability. Believe it or not, most people use artificial intelligence every day. AI is behind some of them our favorite inventions, smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, chatbots, self-driving cars, auto-correction tools, facial and speech recognition technology, and even your Netflix recommendations list.
Wait a minute.
And even your Netflix recommendations list. More and more functions once thought to need human oversight are now being performed by computers, so the relevance of AI developers is higher than ever, and it's only continuing to grow. Next, we have web designer. A web designer's job is to create the layout and design of a company's website and web pages. They typically possess a great deal of technical knowledge while also having an eye for aesthetics, user interface, and user experience design and graphic design. Because a website's appearance directly impacts the visitor's opinion of the company, skilled web designers are in high demand. The BLS estimates that the employment of web developers and digital designers will grow 23% from 2021 to 2031, and around 21,800 job openings are projected each year over that decade. These projections make web designers one of the most in-demand tech jobs, not only in 2023, but throughout the next decade. Next, we have cybersecurity analyst. Simply put, a cybersecurity analyst protects an organization from cyber threats and attacks and unauthorized access of sensitive information. Some of their primary duties include installing and operating firewalls, encryption programs, and other security software, keeping tabs on both active and potential cyber threats, writing incident response reports, conducting regular risk assessments and penetration tests, researching and staying up to date on IT trends. With the increasing threat of cyber attacks, there will be a need for professionals who can help organizations protect their systems from malicious actors. In fact, the market has already seen tremendous demand for these positions. Partnering with CyberSeek, market research company Lightcast, found that between April of 2021 and April of 2022, the need for cybersecurity personnel and skills grew by 43%, while demand across all other occupations grew by only 18%. It's one of the most high demand IT jobs out there, and it can end up as one of the most high paying as well. Next, we have data scientists. Data scientists are skilled analysts who gather and interpret large sets of data. These experts identify trends and patterns in data sets to understand what actions an organization should take to boost performance, engage customers, and increase profitability. Data scientists spend their days collecting and interpreting data, organizing data into usable formats, building prediction systems, and machine learning algorithms, preparing reports. Pretty much every company needs data scientists. The BLS projections the employment of data scientists will grow 36% from 2021 to 2031, earning its title as the sexiest job of the 21st century and positioning the role as a highly in-demand tech job for 2023 and beyond. So what do you think? Those are the IT skills I think, backed by this article, are going to be in demand at least up until 2031. Did I miss anything? Is there a better one that you would like to discuss? I want to know your opinion. Thank you. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I love you. Stay safe. See you on the next video.